Hi, my name is Andre and I live in Cape Town, South Africa. I'm providing this recommendation or testimonial completely voluntarily without any requests or prompts. I had a hair transplant about 8 or 10 years ago in Toronto, where I was living at the time. And recently I noticed my crown was showing a bald spot and the front of my hair was thinning. So after thorough investigation and research, I came upon Larry Gershowitz, who's a hair restoration expert, and made an appointment and went to see him. It's now been 12 days since I had my procedure, and I wish to say that Larry and his team are probably the most professional group of people I've ever come across in the medical profession, and he has a large team. The procedure, I believe, was successful. It'll take a while to show. I'll try and illustrate. Over here, hair was placed, and over here, and then on my crown area. And being married to a much younger woman, I realized the need to spruce myself up substantially. And I can only give accolades